the first ever space that we are getting, and I'm just like so excited. Right now, Nathaniel is at the apartment, so fun story. Some people coming to drop off like the washer dryer, just some deliveries that are supposed to be coming today. The way that man flew out of bed this morning because we got a call from Best Buy and they're like, hi, we're outside your door with your delivery. Say what? Washer dryer and TV are being delivered right now. Nathaniel's over there. He didn't even get to brush his teeth. Sorry, babe, for exposing you. So I'm just on my way over there to help him right now. But yeah, either way, the morning kind of started off a little hectic. I'm gonna pick him up some brekkie. And yeah, just some really exciting stuff. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an apartment tour. This is the living room.
The room in which we live.
Chairs
the
up.
real ones will get that. You know what that's from? I want to know.
I know what it's from.
What's from?
Drake and Josh.
Come here, buddy.
Hug me, bro.
Hug me, brother.
About this whole setup right now is that cat tree was the first thing to be installed and built, which
It wasn't a choice. It was just the
priorities.
first box I opened. I didn't know what was in any of the boxes.
These are the chairs. I built 2 of them last night.
They're good
I
now.
think they're so cute. So here's our bedroom. This is our bed. Our mattress is gonna be installed at noon today. This is our little bathroom area. Got a nice tub. I love this. It's like a built-in thing for your shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna be really extra about it. I want to get like black shampoo and conditioner in soap bottles, label them, put them there so it looks like a hotel or something. I don't want like a whole bunch of like stuff everywhere. So dining room table should be coming in soon. We got like a nice round one. We still haven't picked out stools yet. We're gonna get 4 that go there. For all the company that we don't have, this is the balcony that I can't wait to decorate one day. Once we're like done with the inside, it's very nice and spacious. We have a beautiful view of the lake. This is where I'm gonna drink my coffee and look for crocodile because we're in the south.
No.
I saw a turtle in there and a big fish is wildlife. Also, Nathaniel
Hey,
asked
what are you doing? What are you doing?
the move out guy
What are you doing?
if they could just do it for him, so he paid them to do it.
Yeah, you know what? You know what I did. You know what? I'm not even ashamed.
You know what? I'm gonna be completely honest. We came here.
I got it all here, didn't I?
You did. You
Those
said you
steps.
delivered.
The steps were.
We're on the 3rd floor in the corner apartment. On top of that, we did not have a game plan. We don't know anybody here. We were planning on doing all of this by ourselves. And I told him, honestly, you could swing somebody $100 and see if they're willing. I don't think, worst comes to worst, they say no.
I wasn't even gonna ask anybody, bro, but when I saw that man walk up 3 flights of steps with a mattress with one hand, I said, oh yeah.
And the guy was
Like,
Nathaniel's height.
Oh, you gotta out me.
Pretty much all of this set up. Put some sheets on the bed tonight. Got our dining room table set up. It focuses. So yeah, it's starting to become a lot more like home despite all of the cardboard boxes here.